Well, hello, sixth grade. My name is Mr. Mauro, and I will be your science teacher this year. I wanted to take a minute and introduce myself for those of you who aren't able to be here on the first day, or the second day, or the third day, or the fourth day. And so we'll be seeing a lot of each other remotely and on the screens. And I wanted to give you an idea of who I was. So I'll be spending some time with you each day, which may be a little different than your time in elementary school. I'll be teaching you science, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun. We've got a lot of cool things we're going to do. But I wanted to give you an idea of who I am and provide you with some pictures of myself, because in a moment, one of your first assignments will be to do the same thing that I have done here. So we're looking here at a picture at the top here of me and my family, my wife Jessica and my son Alex and my daughter Madison. Alex graduated from Emmaus High School just a year ago, and Madison is going to be a senior this year. So she's experiencing a similar interesting schooling experience just like you are. Tucked in between us there is my wife Jessica, who you can also see on the right there, and if she looks familiar to any of you Willow Lane friends, she's a kindergarten teacher at Willow Lane. So below there is our dog Lucy, who we spend a lot of time with, kind of romping around and getting her zoomies out at the Wildlands Conservancy in Emmaus. And when we're not doing that, she's usually interested in a snuggle. She's a snuggle bunny. All right. Next slides here. I wanted to introduce you to my cats Linus and Linus and Charlotte. I'm sorry. And these are the cats that my wife has kind of brought to us. I'm not as much of a cat guy as I am a dog person, but I have to admit, from time to time, they're pretty cute. So we keep them around. They're cute to have around. Below there, you'll see there's a picture of me playing guitar. You'll find that throughout the year, I'm a fairly musical person, so we'll have music playing, music as part of our assignments, music as part of science, and I even have a guitar here in the room that I mess around with from time to time, so that's fun. So there's a picture of me in action there in the guitar room at Guitar Center. On the far right, you'll see a hobby of mine, and that is to play disc golf. And I don't know about you, but during the quarantine, when we were knee-deep in it and we were kind of afraid to get outside, I spent a lot of time at Camp Olympic, which is where this picture was taken, on the 18th hole, and just throwing some frisbees around. It's great. So my wife took that picture of me there as the sun was setting, and it's an interesting sport. I've spent a lot of time in the last couple months playing it. And in the middle, I want to point your attention to that weird-looking dude in the black and white, and that is a picture of me in 7th grade, about 25 years ago, and I was a student right here at Ayer Junior High School. It was junior high school back then. And so I show you that picture because it's really the height of awkwardness for me. I didn't know which way was up, and I remember walking the halls of Ayer and all the craziness and weirdness that goes around being a middle school. And so I just wanted to say that I know that even under the best of circumstances, that middle school can be tough, but I am here and your teachers are here to make sure that your experience at Ayer is smooth and just fantastic, and hopefully you look forward to it every day. So what I'd like for you to do is, now that you know a little bit about me, and this is just a quick snapshot, now that you know a little bit about me, I'm interested in knowing more about you. We're going to be seeing each other virtually on the interconnected webs here on our Chromebooks and our MacBooks. But I'd like to know a little bit about you, the background, things you enjoy doing, what makes you you. So I'd like you to use this template that I'll put onto Schoology, and I'd like you to just put some pictures up, maybe some pictures of you, or even if you're not comfortable with that, things that you like to do. Maybe you're a Fortnite player, or maybe you've got a pet that you love very much. Maybe you've got a horse, or maybe you've just got a bike that you ride every day. Share with me what makes you you, and I'll be looking forward to seeing those. So in the meantime, I'm going to say goodbye here on our Screencast-O-Matic, and I very much look forward to meeting you very soon. Talk to you. Bye-bye.